All right, attempt number 2 at helping you guys with the extra credit. Apparently, if I get a call during the video stops. So we gotta try again.
What you say?
Okay, shh, Carlos, shh, I'm recording a video. Okay, try number 3. If we get this extra credit done, I'm going to add 5% to your quiz. Okay, so 5% to your quiz tomorrow. That's the first quiz of the second quarter, so it's a big deal. All right, so here's we go. The hare challenges tortoise to 3 more races. Each race will be 100 meters. That's probably pretty important. Pull that out and write that down somewhere. Let's read again. The tortoise sprints, which means runs fast, at the rate of 4 minutes per minute and runs a steady race. So I took a piece of paper, and as I'm reading, I'm going to pull out all the important information. So the race is 100 meters total. The tortoise, it says, runs fast, 4 meters per minute, and the same speed the whole time. I got that because it said steady race. So the same speed the whole time. So the tortoise runs the same speed the whole time. Now let's talk about the hare. The hare is a rabbit, remember. I don't know what the difference between a hare and a rabbit is, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so the hare leaves the starting line running a rate of 20 meters per minute. So he's running 20 meters per minute. That is much faster than the tortoise. Okay, but remember, tortoise is a slow guy, but same speed all the time. The hare runs at 20 meters per minute, so that's much faster than him, and runs steadily, so runs the same for 2 minutes. So for 2 minutes. Okay? He then decides to take a break, as he knows how far ahead the tortoise is. So now he takes a break. So no movement. Let's see for how long. Hare's break lasts 8 minutes. Good Lord. It's a long break. All right, so he kind of sprinted for 2 minutes, took a break for 8 minutes. He's in bad shape. All right, the hare runs back to the starting line. Good Lord. So which means he turns around, runs back, so we're moving away here, turns around and goes back towards the starting line at 20 meters per minute again. What is he thinking? 20 meters per minute again. To grab a towel that he left behind. Okay, which means that's going to take him 2 minutes again. If he ran 20 minutes away, if he ran away for 20 meters per minute for 2 minutes, it's going to take him 2 minutes to get back at 20 meters per minute. Okay, so now he gets the towel. He does not stop, but grabs the towel on the run and heads down the race course again. So he turns around again. And now heads away again. So he's running away, takes a break, turns around and goes back, and now he's running away again. So if we wanted to look at this graph, make a sketch, he's running away, takes a big old break, runs back to the starting line to get his towel, and then starts away again, and that's where we are right now. All right, so let's pick it up. He then runs again at 20 meters per minute. I think this rabbit's been drinking. All the way to the finish line. All the way to the finish line. Whew, okay. Tortoise, nice and easy. Hare, running all over the place. So let's see what they're going to ask us to do. Draw a graph that shows the progress of the race. Use the same grid for both the tortoise and the hare. Show time from the start of the race in minutes. And show distance from the starting line in meters. So let's go ahead and distance from starting line. Remember, that was in meters. Down here, we have the time from start. And this was in minutes. Okay, use one color for the tortoise's graph and one color for the hare's graph. I'm going to use pencil at first just in case I mess up. So let's see. If we make this guy look like this, The distance has to make all the way to 100 because, remember, we've got 100 meters to go for the whole race. Time we'll think about in just a second. Okay, so let's think. If we go by twos, we've got to get to 100. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That's definitely not going to work. How about fives? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 meters, 40 meters, 45 meters, 50 meters, 55 meters, 60 meters, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Oh my gosh, perfect. 100 meters. So here's as long as the race is. So this is the distance from the starting line. Okay, so they both start at the starting line. So I'm going to have two lines coming out of this zero. Let's do the hare first. I'm sorry, the tortoise first. He's the easiest. Every minute that goes by, he goes up 4 meters. So every minute that goes by, he goes up 4 meters. So let's see. How long did it take? Well, we've got 2 minutes, 8 minutes, 2 minutes, so probably we can go by 1 minute. So 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. So the tortoise runs 4 meters every minute. So at 1 minute, he's going to be at 4. 2 minutes, he'll be at 8, which is just below. At 3 minutes, he'll be at 12. At 4 minutes, 4 times 4 is 16. At 5 minutes, 5 times 4 is 20. 6 minutes, he'll be at 24. 7 minutes, he'll be at 28. Remember, you're adding 4 each time. 8 minutes, he'll be at 32. Now, I'd use a ruler if I were you. Okay, and this is the tortoise. 1 speed the whole time. Okay, now unfortunately, the hare gave us a huge problem. So let's see what we can do with this hare. All right, so he ran away for 2 minutes. He ran 20 meters per minute. So in 2 seconds, in the first second he ran 20, so that's 20. But in 2 seconds, he ran another 20 up to 40. So in 1 second, 20 miles an hour. 2, another 20, that's 40. So from the starting line, you took off pretty fast. But then he takes an 8-minute break. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-minute break. So he actually, take a look at it. The tortoise catches up with him. So for 2 minutes, this is 2 minutes. This is 8 minutes. He doesn't move, he took a big old break. Then, remember, so we've got 20 minutes, he ran. Break, 8 minutes. He turns around, he doesn't stop, but he turns around and runs back to the starting line at 20 meters per minute. So again, 20 meters per minute. So the very next minute, I'm going to be 20 down. So I'm at 40, 20 meters down, 1 minute over. Now I need to go another 20. 20 minute down, 1 minute over. So he sprinted right back to the finish line, got his towel. So right there, he got his towel. Okay. Then he doesn't stop, but he turns around and runs all the way back to the finish line, another 20 meters per minute. So go over 1 minute and go up 20. Go over another minute, get even, go up another 20 to 40. See how I'm at 40 now? Go over another minute, make it even, and he's going up another 20. So I should be so I'm at 40, I need to go up 20 to 60. So 60. Okay, and now let's see, we've got over another second, we go up another 20. So I'm at 60 right now, I should be up at 80. Okay, and then go over again, another second. So let's connect what we have so far. Wait a minute, did I mess up? I did, it's this one. All right, 1 more second. So 1 more second over, make it even, and then up 20 more. So that's 100. So right there, he won. He won. It took him how many minutes? 17 minutes. Oh, sorry. If you come up, he hit 100 right here. That means he won in 17 minutes. But holy cow, did he run all over the place. This guy looks like he'll hit 100 a little bit further out, a few more minutes out. But who won the race? Well, it was definitely the hare, or the rabbit, at 17 minutes it took him. But holy cow, he's crazy. Are the tortoise and hare ever side by side in the race? Well, at the beginning, they're side by side. And take a look right here. At exactly 10 minutes, at exactly 10 minutes, they're right there. They're both at 40 feet away because they cross over. Their two lines cross over. So at 10 minutes, they are both 40 meters away. So at the beginning, they're side by side. 10 minutes away, they're side by side at 40 meters. Look again. Now they're side by side again. See how many minutes this is? That's 15 minutes. They're both 60 meters away. So 15 minutes. They are both, what did I say? 60 meters away. Oh, exhausting. But this should help you get through the rest of them. Remember the process that we went through and try the rest on your own.